Yo, yo, yo. Independence Day just passed, but trust me, summer is still in full swing. So keep out those pools, the beach days, the swimwear, and most importantly, the sunscreen. Not that I really need it. Actually, you are looking a bit pale. But those sunglasses, I like them. They really bring out the brown in your eyes. Yo, yo, yo. All right, so I'm interrupting myself with a reason, and that is to bring you an announcement. Next week, I'm declaring it International Food Week here on MRK. I'm so excited. Okay, explanation. So, what that means is we're packing our forks, knives, and taste buds, and we're eating our way around the globe. So, tune in every weekday next week for a new international recipe as part of my International Food Week. And now, back to your regularly scheduled episode. Moving on. So, summer is not complete without a cookout. So bust out that grill because I have a burger blend recipe that's super delicious and just for you. Welcome to Mama Reubo's Kitchen. Man, do I love a cookout. Like, there's just something about the food, the friends, the fun, like it's just, and summer is like the perfect season to do all of this, like just by a pool, anyways. So now I may not be proficient at the grill, but that does not stop me. I mean, you can't, no. Anyways, so now this burger blend, trust me, it more than makes up for it. It's super simple and it's packed with flavor. Like my mom was actually the one who came up with it and it worked beautifully. So now I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's grill. Again, the recipe is super simple. It's 1 part ground beef to a 1/2 part of Italian sausage. And since the Italian sausage is packed with herbs and spices, it really brings a lot of flavor to the burger. Plus, we're gonna add some more of the spices that are already present to make it even more delicious. All right, so in a bowl, add 1 pound of ground beef and a 1/2 pound of ground Italian sausage. So to this, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then a tablespoon of fresh parsley, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Now blend everything together, but be careful not to overmix because that will toughen the meat. It's best to mix with your hands so you can kind of get a more even mix and you can feel out the meat just to make sure you're not overmixing. Then divide these into whatever size burgers you want and then form them into patties. Then you're ready to grill. Boom, there you have deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below any of your favorite burgers that you've ever had or any of your favorite activities that you're gonna do this summer. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.